For this exercise, you're going to go ahead and get into a kneeling position. You're going to make sure your knees are right underneath your hips. You are next going to extend one leg to the side, still making sure your spine and hips are in a neutral position. You're going to grab your hands in front of your chest at the midline, and then as you go back, you're going to extend. You're going to drop your butt back all the way to your heel, extending your arms out, coming back up, squeezing your butt at the top to regain that neutral spine at the top. And then again.